Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So the US dollar CAD keeps on drifting down. Like I said yesterday, I think at this point it probably is going to hit that 78%. I think this is still a wave A. I think this is still a wave B. And I still think we're going to get a pretty decent push up for wave C. I still think this is likely a wave 1 and a wave 2. So eventually we are going to get a big short, probably several weeks away though. So I'm more on the shorter term. I would be keeping an eye on this 78% fib. I don't really think this move down is over yet. If it does go down to that 78% fib, then make a nice impulsive move to the upside, I would definitely take that as a long, potentially the end of a wave B. And if it is the end of a wave B, then it should maintain a very impulsive movement to the upside for what I think would be a wave C, probably a wave C of wave 2, like I showed on the daily time frame. And if it really is a wave C of wave 2, I would definitely expect it to go up and take out the high of wave A, probably looking something like that. So it potentially would be a lot of pips to the upside if that's how it plays out. So definitely keeping an eye on that fib level. Definitely looking for like that double bottom or that nice engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level in order to go long, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.